wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Hello everyone, welcome to another life lesson session with Queen Billion. Oh, as you can see, I am in the Christmas mood. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you and your loved ones. So what are we talking about today? We are talking about Christmas in all shapes and sizes, in all forms and kinds. How are you? How are you doing? Hope you're enjoying this season with your family. I know it's a season we all love to go out. We all love to feast, merrymaking, cook, eat, see family members and all of that. So it's a season to be happy. It's a season to be joyous. So today I'm going to be sharing some of my Christmas experiences and some of my highs and my favorite Christmas moments, some ideas that you can work with, some things that you can do. So number one on the list is visit families. Yes, every Christmas I spend my Christmas with my family members. It's always a beautiful thing. You are busy all year round and you are just not having the time to, have all of the time in the world. But Christmas season is a time for us to visit our family members and see friends that we've not seen for a while. So if you can throw a party at your house, all well and good. If your parents are throwing a party, invite your friends and just have a good time and celebrate life, because it's not a joke. It's not an easy thing to be alive and well, and we give God the glory for that. So number two, go for concerts. The experience has passed, but you can always relive the experience on YouTube. Daystar Christmas concert is one of the most interesting concerts to go for during the year. A concert that everybody looks forward to attending every year. So this year is going to be virtual, so you can relive the moment over and over and over again. An interesting story. I am a member of the Western Christian Center Choir. So I know the nitty-gritty and the back end preparation for everything. It is not easy. I've been in the choir for over 10 years. And man, when I first joined, I think I did like 7 carols back to back. The rehearsals are not easy. They are not for the faint-hearted. There was a time I think we started as early as March of that year for a concert of December. Man, it wasn't easy, but it's always worth it, and that is why you and I always look forward to that carol. So that's one of the events that you can attend, and just look out for those events online. They are everywhere. Almost every church has a carol that is going on, but the very, very big ticket ones, the highbrow ones that everyone wants to attend are those ones that I have mentioned. So number 3, go to the beach. Yes, Christmas is a season to also not sit at home and just business as usual. So if you've not been to the beach all year round, it's a time to go to the beach and put your leg in water and have fun, horse riding, everything, the amusement park, go merry-go-rounding. It's always fun. So you can do that with your family this season and just be happy. As much as possible, let joy be your paramount aim, whatever it is that you do, let it be based on joy. Yeah, because it's the season of joy, the season that Jesus was born and to save the world. So express your joy and be happy. So what else can you do? Number 4, you can travel. Yes, wherever you are in the world, you can travel. You can travel out of your state, out of your country. Yes, despite the restriction, find out the countries that do not have restriction and have fun. A lot of people love to go to Dubai during Christmas season because of the lights. Everything is just so beautiful in Dubai. So you can go to Dubai if you have the means, or you can even go to your village. I know my Igbo brothers and sisters, you give that to them. Every Christmas they go to the village. And for you, a single lady that is looking for us, and I hear that village, the Igbo village, is where it is happening. So you can travel, go to the village and have fun and see long distance relatives that you've not seen in a while, and it will be beautiful memories that you can always relive. Make sure you take pictures so that you can always look back and say, oh wow, Christmas was fun, I had a good time at this event and all of that. So what else can you do this Christmas? Number 5, go to the motherless baby's home. Go to the home of the physically challenged. Earlier in this month, myself and one of the fellowships that I belong to went to Modupe Memorial Cove, and it was beautiful. We had a party with them. We didn't just go there and drop stuff. We went there to party and dine with them, gave them, made clothes for them, Christmas clothes for them, food, merry making, praise and worship, sound system, gift bags, everything. The place was bubbling and popping. So you can, if you have the means, you can go through a party for those children. You can take something there and just make them feel special. It's a way of you adding to the society and doing something good for mankind. So it's anywhere you are in the world, I think it's something that you can do. So go visit the motherless, go visit the less privileged, and show them some love, because for God so loved the world that he gave. So it's a season of giving. So this season you can give and give and give. There is no limit to what you can do. There's no limit to what you can give. Whatever that you have the capacity to give, try and give in this season. So what else can you do in this Christmas season? Go to church. Yes, don't run away from church. This is not the time to just party up and down. Yes, have fun, but then don't forget the God that's kept you alive to this moment, to this season, to this period of the year. Don't forget the God that kept you alive. So there will be a lot of church events, church programs this season. As many as you can attend, try and attend them. It's also a time of reflection, a time to write your goals, a time to understand what God is saying for the new year, so that you don't just enter the new year with a mind of, well, you don't know where you're going to. It's also a period of reflection. So a church is a good place to reflect and hear from God and be able to find out, okay, what's the next thing I'm supposed to do about this matter, about that matter. So it's also a good time, a good season to visit the church and be able to know what God is telling you for the new year, even for what you should do within this season. So don't stay away. This is not the period to stay away from God. It's not the period to stay away from church. Go to church. Church is somewhere that you can also visit and have a good time, the presence of your Father. So what else can you do this Christmas season? What is on your bucket list? What is that one thing that you've been postponing that you would do? Maybe you should try doing it this season. You know what you've been trying to do and you've not been doing it. It can even be an exam. Yeah. It can be a visit. It can be an adventure. Whatever it is that you've been postponing that you would do. This is one of the periods that is most flexible for most people. So I think before the year runs out, you can actually tick it off your bucket list if it's something that is still doable, if it doesn't require so much from you. Just find that time and do it. If it's a book that you've been trying to read and to finish, try and finish it and read the book. Yes. So that's another thing that you can do. Check off your bucket list the book that you bought I'm also a corporate. I love books, but I don't have the time to read them. So I'm also talking to myself. So basically those are my list of things that you can do this Christmas. So if you have something else that you are planning for this season of the year, let me know in the comment section and let us learn from each other. Once again, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. See you next time. Queen Billion signing out. Bye. Feliz Navidad. Do, 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 do. Feliz Navidad. Do, do, do. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart.